Ashe family. Let's talk about ape symbolism for a minute. Think back throughout your life of all the ape movies and various ape symbolism you've seen, whether it was in a film, your child's video game, or school textbook, a billboard, hell, even a magazine. What the hell is going on with all of these ape subliminals? The fuck is it about apes? The fuck? Who the fuck relates to that? To be honest, as a melanated 9 ether man, I never related to any apes or King Kong or any of that shit. So the question is, who does? All apes have straight hair. I don't got no fucking straight hair, just saying. But anyway, excuse my language, not only do they bombard your children with the ape shit in school, but they got all these wild ape movies and shit for teens and adults. Just look at all the ape symbolism. You got Caesar in Planet of the Apes, you got Kong in the King Kong series, shit, Tarzan. They call that motherfucker the Ape Man. The Oriental folk have some kind of fixation with apes. I picked that up in Journey to the West, which is based on Wukong and the Monkey King. And we also can't forget about that one children's show, Dragon Z or Dragon Ball, some shit like that. I'm not that deep into Asian media, so forgive me, family. But you can look at all the blonde and red-headed characters who are, as Phil Valentine said, throwbacks to Neanderthal. What stands out to me the most, of course, are the tails. These characters have fucking monkey tails, for crying out loud. And let me not forget to mention that these motherfuckers be turning into monkeys on the show, apparently. Let's look at some more ape symbolism, shall we?
Bitch. Gee.
What is this?
Here's the story. They domesticated gorillas.
You call that domesticated? They're killing a man.
So they taught them to be this way. They bred them to violence. They looked for the trait and they encouraged it.
Guard dogs. And they turned on their masters.
Give me that Devo gun!
What is this?
Monkey!
Hotep family. If you like this video and you'd like to support the work, my donation link will be in the description. This work is essentially free, none of it is monetized here, so all is appreciated but not required. Much power. Respect to you all. Ashe.